I will talk about my friend. My friend's name is Cesar. He is 32 years old. We have been friends for 10 years. He is taller than me. He is slim, Caucasian. He has black hair. He is Mexican, and he has lived with his grandmother. When I lived with my parents, he lives behind my house, and he was selling desserts near his house. For a time, we went to live in the United States and learned English. There were times that he spoke, but I don't understand him, and sometimes he explained the basics of the language to me. Previously, we went to shopping centers to buy clothes. We also went to a concert and we talked every afternoon. He is a person that I have the most appreciated for him. He was always being good to me. And Harry Potter is the best movie we have ever watched. He doesn't like to drink too much alcohol. He prefers a soda better. And he likes to pizza, tacos, among others. 2 years later, we traveled to Cancun. The idea was to work and meet people. Sometimes we swam to the beach. We also went to restaurants, bars, and one time we took a Ferrari to visit Isla Mujeres and Consumel. When we arrived, he didn't find a job, so I told him that anything was good. He has always been a fun, happy, and smiling person. He also likes to train every morning. He is going to run. Always, he can do something for other people. Every Sunday he goes to church. I have only been twice, but it was 6 years ago. We lost communication for 3 years because I was working in the afternoon. He lives with his wife since 2 years. Cesar is working as book editor. He really likes to dress in suits. He has studied business, but he doesn't finish yet. My friend has already worked hard, and it's necessary for him to rest, because I have seen him every tired. On Friday, we go to the mall where we bought to the sweets and we will take with the person who lives in Cancun. He is the best driver that I have ever seen. Next week, we will see you to review some issues of your account, and then we will go for a coffee. Is the information that I think is most important about my best friend.